So as per the instructions in the blog or on the blog, firstly we have to tap on wipe. Afterward we have to tap on format data, and here we have to type yes for the confirmation part. And afterward just press on this particular blue tick. It will hardly take I would say hardly a minute to format everything, and once it will be done, just move to back, again back, and this time you have to tap on this particular advanced wipe. So just tap it here and you have to select here the 4 different partition. One is Dalvik, cache, data, system. Vendor partition is optional. If you want, you can do it. Afterward just swipe to wipe it. Again, it will hardly take a minute to wipe up all the selected 4 partition. Afterward just tap on back, again back, until unless you move to the home screen of a TWRP custom recovery. This time you have to tap on install, and afterward you have to tap on select storage. So by default I have selected micro SD card. You can select if you are using OTG pen drive, but in most of the cases these two, second or third option, would be the one which we have to select. And afterward just move to the folder where you have kept those particular downloaded files. So like in my case, I'm using this as a bootlegger and this is my OpenG app. So I'm just selecting first the ROM, I would say bootlegger, swipe to confirm flash. So now it will take nearly about, I would say, 5 to 6 minutes to complete the overall installation process. So let's wait till the time it completes. So after after that particular flashing process, the ROM installation is successfully done. Now we have two options. One is wipe cache Dalvik and reboot system. So best would be wipe cache Dalvik. And afterward we don't have to go to reboot system. We have to again move to back, again back, until unless we move to the desired folder where we have selected or downloaded the G apps. So this is the one. Now let me do it. Now this particular G app installation will take nearly about 4 to 6 minutes depending upon the background activities and so on. So let's wait till the time this particular installation will be completed. So finally the installation of G apps is also completed. Again we are having two options, wipe cache Dalvik, reboot. Again I'll prefer to tap on wipe cache Dalvik so that all the junk files behind this particular installation will be completed. Now we are good to go with the reboot system. If someone wants to flash the magics, then I will always prefer to do it once you set up your phone successfully. Afterward you are good to go with the magics installation. If you are not aware, then we'll be providing you the URL for the same in the description below so that you can go over afterward. Now within next 2 to 3 minutes the phone setup process will be invoked, or I would say started, and then we'll move to the setup process and we'll try to complete it as soon as possible. So this is the basic animation for the bootlegger's ROM. So whenever you will be installing it, you will be able to view it. So let's wait till the time it invokes the phone setup process. So finally the phone setup process has been started, or I would say instantiated. So let me click on start, then choose my optimal selections and so on. Now it will be asking to enter credential for my Wi-Fi connection. Let me complete this part. So after successfully entering the Wi-Fi credential, now it is checking for the update. If there will be any minor or major payload which will be pending in the background, will be downloaded here and it will move to the next screen. So finally we have moved to the next screen, copy apps and data. Just for the video's convenience, I'm using don't copy, but you can select next if you want to download something from the Google Cloud platform, if you have created any backup in the background or in the past. So this is the most vital part. Either you should be aware about your PIN which you have set in your previous ROM, apart to this Google account which has been associated with your device. So at this moment let me enter my PIN. So once it will found legit, it will move to the next screen. So here it is asking to set up a Google account. So I'm just skipping this part, but you can do at your side. Even you can do this once you'll successfully set up the ROM. So just for the video's convenience, I'm just setting pin because fingerprint will take some time. So to cut down the time, I'm skipping this part. So finally adding the finishing touch. So this is the bare bone structure or default ROM shipped after flashing this, with this particular wallpaper, these apps, and only the needed apps. There is no major bloatware and so on. But let me confirm you once again by moving to the about section that this is the bootleggers one, stable version 5.1, which we are discussing few minutes ago, and Android 10 base and so on. And apart to this, we will be creating more videos in the coming future, so stay tuned till then. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.